Okay, so I'm remaking these videos, the ones that we had in class today after the AP English exam. So I hope these are a little bit clearer for you to see. So we're starting first with this Unit 9.1. Okay, so like I was explaining in those other videos, guys, these are all about sequences and series. So we do have all our equations right here. And really the key word that I'm looking for is this word sum. And so I'm going to point that out in all the problems here. And then we're going to use the equations that they give us here. So this is an arithmetic sequence, and I can tell because I'm adding 3 for each one of these. So here they're asking me to go up to add, find the sum again, all the way up to n equals 8. So I'm going to use the equation they give me here, this one right here. Okay. So first step is to use our explicit equation. So I need to find it first. So an is equal to a1 plus d n minus 1. And here a1 is 3, d is also 3 times n minus 1. So I'm going to distribute 3n minus 3. These 3's cancel. Looks like that. Okay, so this is the explicit equation. This is what I'm going to use right now to find my an value. And from my formula sheet, I know that my series sum is equal to n over 2 a1 plus an. Okay, so here n is 8. They gave it to me. a1 is 3. And an, I'm going to find it. So a8 is equal to 3 times 8, which is 24. So this is 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 plus 24 is 27. And 27 times 4, I believe it equaled up to 108. Okay, so next problem here. Okay, we're only going to do one of these geometric series, sequences. Again, I'm finding the sum. And here they gave me an n, so this means that it is finite, which means I use this equation. And it is geometric, because I can see that every number I'm multiplying here by 3. So what I'm doing here now is a1, 1 minus r to the n power over 1 minus r. Okay, so here my r, my pattern is 3, so I know what it is, it's 3. a1 is negative 3. 1 minus 3 to the 6th power. Again, put that in parentheses, guys, because if it's a negative, it makes a difference. Times 1 minus 3. So this is negative 3. 1 minus 3 to the 6th. So down here's negative 2. This is going to be negative 728. So this all equals 1092. Okay, so next problem here. Okay, this is an infinite series, guys. So this is gonna, like, since they didn't give me an n value, I assume it goes on forever. And so again, if I look at my formula sheet, I do have an equation here for infinite geometric series, which is this one right here, 1 minus r. So first thing is, is my series converging? Okay, so I need to tell that, and I can tell that it is because I'm dividing these by 2, which means my r equals 1/2. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now, guys, use my equation. So Sn is equal to A1, 1 minus R, over 1 minus R. So A1 is 4, negative 4, divided by 1 minus half. So negative 4 over 1 minus half is just 1 half. And here I'm going to do keep, flip, and change. So negative 4 times 2 over 1, which is equal to negative 8. Okay, so again, guys, I hope this is a little bit clearer for you to see. And if you have questions, go ahead and bring them to me.